Good morning everyone, it's Chandrakala and today we will see the revision exercise of chapter number 5. Actually, whatever has been asked in this exercise that we have already done in chapter number 5. That means in Let's Recap 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3. Same things we have to repeat here. Still we need a quick revision that we will do. In revision exercise, in question number 1, you have to find out HCF by prime factorization method. So this you have already done. I will not help anything in that. You will do it by yourself. You know how to find HCF by prime factorization method, that you will do by yourself. Two questions are there, and in question number 2 you have to find out LCM. Here any specific method is not given, but still we use common division method to find out the LCM. So here we will have to find out LCM for 3 numbers. 4 questions are there. This also you will do by yourself. Now in question number 3, find the greatest number that divides 16,135, 27,223 and 25,207, leaving 7, exactly 7 as a reminder. Such type of questions we have already done in 5.2. Same questions we have to do here. Here some numbers are given. Actually 3 numbers are given. 27,223 and 25,207. These 3 numbers are given here and the remainder is given 7 from each. So we will subtract 7 from all the numbers. Then here you will get 3 numbers. 1 answer, 2 answer, 3 answer. These numbers are given in the question. 7 is remainder, so we have to subtract 7 from the given number. Then we will get 3 answer, and then we have to find out HCF of these 3 answers, because in the question greatest number is asked. So we will find highest common factor of this 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. This 1, 2 and 3. So such questions we have already done. We will subtract 7 and then we will find out HCF of the answer. Then let's see question number 4. Find the smallest number which when divided by 66, 99 and 88 leaves exactly 6 as remainder. Here first of all you have to find out LCM, because they are asking smallest number. Smallest number means least common multiple that divides LCM of 66, 99 and 88. First of all you will find LCM of 66, 99 and 88. Then you will get one answer. Then you have to add means addition. You have to add how much? 6 to the answer. Then you will get your final answer. Find LCM of these 3 numbers and then add 6 to the number. You will get the answer. Then question number 5. An army officer has to form equal rows of 15 or 20 soldiers. What is the minimum number of soldiers that the officer will need? Obviously, if you have to divide into equal parts, then you have to find out LCM of 15 and 20. Only 2 small numbers are there. Easily you can find the LCM in question number 5. Then see, let's question number 6. 3 bells toll at the interval of 20, 25 and 30 seconds. If all the 3 bells toll together at 12 noon, when will they toll together next? That means here the bell is ringing. 3 bells are there. They ring after 20, 25 and 30 seconds. That means after the interval of this much time, if all the bells toll together at 12 noon, then first of all we have to find out HCF of 20, 25 and 30. Okay, and whatever answer you are getting, that you have to add with 12. 12 o'clock is already there. If here you are getting 10, then your final answer will be 12:10, because 12 o'clock is already now happening. Now if it has to ring after 10 minutes, then you have to add 12:10. If after 20 minutes, then you will add 12:20. So whatever answer you are getting here, that answer you have to add here. 12 plus that answer. This is question number 6. Now let's see question number 7. What will be the maximum length of each piece of ribbon if 2 ribbons of length 54 and 72 meters are cut into equal pieces? Such type of question we have already done one. So here also we will do. First of all we have to find out HCF of 54 and 72. Okay. Here we have to find out HCF and you will get one answer. of HCF. Okay, then here what two things are there. What will be the maximum length of each piece of the ribbon if two ribbons of length 54 meters and 72 meters are cut into equal pieces? So see, total length, how much total length? 54 plus 72, which is, you see, 6, and this is 12, 126 meter. This is total length. How many pieces you will make such that each piece should have equal length? For that you have to subtract your answer from 126. Here you will get one answer, that is your HCF. So you subtract that HCF from 126 and you will get here final answer. That means you have to find out two answers. First answer you will get when you will find HCF of both these numbers. Second answer when you will subtract your that HCF from 126, then you will get the next answer. Now let's see question number 8, that is the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 6 and 72 respectively. If one of the number is 24, what is the other number? As we have already learned one formula for that, that is, we know that first number into second number is equal to HCF into LCM. Okay, this we have already seen. So here the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 6 and HCF is given 6 and LCM is given how much? 72. And one number is given, that means let the first number is given 24. So what we have to find? We have to find out second number. This is our question. That means three things are given and fourth one we have to find out. So you see, from our formula, first number into second number is equal to HCF into LCM. First number is 24, second number we don't know, HCF is 6 and LCM is 72. So to find this second number, we will bring this 24 here, 6 into 72. When we will bring this 24 to right hand side of the equal to, then this multiplication will be changed into divided. This is 24 divided. Now we have to see the number. That means we have to find out such a number which must divide this number and any one of this number, at least one of this number. You see, 6 is an even number, it is divisible by 2. Similarly, this is 2, so this number is also divisible by 2. This is 4, so this number is also divisible by 4. That means all these numbers are divisible by 2. So we will take any two numbers. This number we will take definitely, this is compulsory. One number we will take this one and another number we will take any one from here, any one. I am taking this 6. 6 when divided by 2, 3. 24 when divided by 2, 12. Now you see 3. This 3 is divisible by 3 and 12 is also divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 12 means 4 times. So now you see 72 and 4 both are divisible by 2. When you divide 4 by 2, you will get 2. When you divide 72, you will get 3 times 6 and this is 36. 36 is divisible by 2. 2 is also divisible by 2. So when we will divide 2 by 2, we will get 1. Similarly, when we will divide 36 by 2, we will get 1 and 8. So now you see, second number is equal to, here we are having 1. 1 into, here what we are having? 18. Upon 1. 1. 18 into 1 is 18 divided by 1. 18 divided 1 is 18. So 18 is our answer. Likewise, we have to find out question number 9 is also same. LCM of two numbers whose product is 2750 is 550. What is the HCF of the number? It is same. You see question number 9. Here first number into second number. This is also known as product of numbers. Product means multiply. Product of numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. So product of numbers is given 2750 and HCF we don't know. We have to find out. LCM is given 550. So HCF is equal to 2750 divided by 550. This 0 will cancel out 0. Now you divide both the numbers by 5 and find out the answer. You see, this is not divisible by 2. This is also not divisible by 2. This is not divisible by 3 also. It is not divisible by 4 also. But it is divisible by 5. 55 is divisible by 5. 275 is also divisible by 5. So you will divide both the numbers by 5 and you will find the answer. That will be your answer. In question number 10 also, one table is given and in that table 3 numbers are given out of 4. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 4, 3 numbers are given and 4th we have to find out. Here I will solve one part for you, that is C part. Question number 10, C part. In C part, first number into second number is equal to HCF into LCM. So what is the first number? It is given 282. And second number is given 729. Okay, HCF is given 3 and LCM we have to find out. Again we have 4 things. Out of 4, 3 are given and 1 you have to find out. If you have to find out LCM, then bring this 3 here. When you will bring this 3 here, then you have to divide it by 3. This 3 divide by 3. Now you see 3 is divisible by 3 and out of this is 4 and 8, 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So 3 ones are 3 and here you see 9 times 27, then 12. 12 means 4 times. So now what you have? 94 into 729 divided by 1. Now you will find answer by yourself. Divided by 1 means nothing. So when you simply multiply both these numbers, then you will get the LCM. Likewise, you will do rest of the questions. 2 parts we have already solved in the class. 1 I have solved here and now 1 part is remaining that you will solve by yourself. Rest of the things we will see in next class. Thank you.